Welcome to the mix today, and we have Erica on the mix as she speak about this lady that has addressed her in her comments area. She also addressed a lady in her comments, but she's calling her out today to address her again. She's letting the lady know that she loves her mother and that she takes care of her mother. Now, for details on the story, you would have to go ahead and watch the video. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Admin, when you no watch the live, you block all of them people and dash them away for me. Yes. Lady love, where you take set for me for? In a night, you know you come again, look where you put up. Me want to know about you and your three pitney them. Hey, three kids live in USA, make it right. Lady, you have problem. Lady, take your problem, guy, your yard. Don't make me show on already again. Lady, not even your color, you're not right with. Lady, not even. You notice how me talk to you quiet, cause me no want me guess them wake up. Lady, not even your color where God give you, you're not right with. Lady, you're black or you're brown or you're pink or you're purple. Syria? Hold on. This one special picture where I want to show today. Lady, you can't say you're about 95 and you try be 16. Lady, leave me alone. Anybody know that woman here? Anybody at all know? Lady, me you never book up no way. Lady, me you don't have no problem. Lady, with all them whole heap of pretty kids up on your grand pitney and great grand and had a grand. Lady, when your sins are come down and me carry. Yes, you did black before, you know. Lady, leave me alone. Lady, please, me I beg you. Come out on my page. Me know you over here, you call her there. Do. Lady, don't take no set for me. I know me make you tired. Are you run up and down and tired, lady? Why you feel like you want to take set for me? You no do. Anybody know that woman here? Anybody know that woman here? Do me a beg you know. Anybody know that woman here? Woman, do me a beg you, woman. Do me a beg you. Do lady. See, the foot tells it all. The foot tells it all. Say you want to be 16 and you can't be 16. Lady, leave me alone. Will you take set for me so far? How will me do to you so? Woman, people do. Tell them people have left me alone. You know when last your mama eat? You know your right father? Because you did black, you know. So you can't be for the man where you grew up to. I buck up your right father, make you change your complexion. You have more problem than me. Because you're here, you don't know who are your right father. Me give enough jacket, but me give right father and a lot. So come, tell social media. Because if you get Mr. Black, I can't Mr. Black your father. If you get Mr. Brown, I can't Mr. Brown. Everything about you change. Please, lady, leave landlord alone and don't take no set for landlord. This number call me and I miss it, so I call it back. Alright. Well, if they want me, then call me back, sir. me see all this.